really bad map, by the way, so that's all I
Bro,
know.
Skull Island is mine, bro. Like, low-key.
Uh-oh, we're in this sweaty server.
It's calm, bro. It's calm. I gotta turn on shift lock switch, okay, bro. Oh.
Bro, what are you?
What? What are you what?
Are you? Oh, who's that? Who's this? That's
I'm
kind of cool.
autistic, bro.
Me, I'm the defense guy.
Yo, that's low-key cool. That's so cool.
You wanna?
There's people in mid already, bro. Orange is in mid.
Oh no. Oh wait, no, they have bed plating.
Yeah, we did. Bed plating's a thing now, you know?
Bro, I'm an OG bro. I don't remember.
Yeah, same. I didn't know this was bed plating until like last month.
Yeah, low-key.
It's been a while.
Like, it's actually so weird, man. So, did they nerf bow? No.
No. I think it's still the same.
Yo, I got two damn diamonds. Can we get a team gen upgrade?
I dare you
Yo.
like it.
We have
I thought she was a bed too.
SD. I mean, a bed has one in it, so.
The stone of blade ceramic.
So, I'll go to mid, see what happens. We're going lucky block, right? Yeah. Diamond Guardian. Oh my god. Oh, I lost.
Shut up.
I'm breaking the... What does the rainbow key do? What the fuck is this? I mean, even Reaper Sweat? It's a Reaper Sweat, bro.
Bro, that pink on us, bro. They're probably gonna break a bed.
No, that dude is emerald and has the rainbow key.
Try and knock it off.
Nice.
I got
He knocked.
Wait, zoom.
No way!
Put it in the chest.
No, he fell.
Zoom it.
You just got the key.
Oh, pink glitters in mid.
Yo, Subin, don't get the armor. Get the generator.
I mean,
The fuck?
no fucking. All of my hero rapier stuff is like my hero stuff, swords and stuff are like max upgraded almost. They should be supercharged now. Yeah. Should be supercharged. I need better armor and more emeralds, low key. Yo, wait, I can do a common volley. That's tough. Where's that? Oh, that's from opposite. Use that, Alex.
I got some balloons if you guys want it.
Oh, I need again. I diamond armor.
I'm just raining fireballs down on them, man. Yo, got 6 M's. Let's go.
I got one. One's dead.
I'll get the final one.
Why is he not rushing me? Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, come on. Why make it so easy?
Wait, why are you beating him, bro? Like, dude, how many buffs do you have, bro? What the fuck? Like,
I'm dead, but like, you got it.
And
you're welcome.
Oh, and Rage Blade.
W assist.
And Rage Blade.
W assist.
Play again.